Hi, today we're going to go through step by step how to make a linoleum block print. The first thing I did is I found an image that I wanted to work with. I knew that I wanted to make something with a fire hydrant in it. So I printed off a picture of a fire hydrant and I looked at that for a while and drew a picture of a fire hydrant. I didn't trace it, I just kind of looked at the shapes and copied down the basic shapes. I wasn't concerned too much at this point with doing any shading. I just wanted to get the basic shapes and some of those little contour details. But after I got my image down, I realized this is not an informal design. This is very formal. If I draw a line down the middle, it's very balanced. It's the same, almost the same on both sides. So after I get my image, I need to put it in a position to make it a little bit more informally balanced. And so I took my original image and I came up with something that would work a little better. I actually traced this fire hydrant that I drew onto my next paper. If I'm tracing my own drawing, it's not really cheating. So I traced this and then I looked at the rest of the space. How could I make this informally balanced? So having this large object that's kind of smooth in the front would balance with smaller, more interesting contours in the rest of the picture. Small speckles on the sidewalk, very interesting contours in the grass, and wood texture in the background. So once I get my drawing all finished and I know what direction I'm going, the next step is to transfer it onto my block. I'm going to flip it over to the back side and I'm going to color or shade right on here on the back with my pencil. And I want to push nice and hard and color the whole thing, not the whole page, just where my image was, so I can kind of see where it was through my paper. I'll just trace that and continue shading this in nice and dark all over the back.